Okay, so today we will look at a few more examples of increasing and decreasing functions. Starting off with this sum, where our function y is sine 3x, and this is in the interval 0 to pi by 2. So we have to look into this region 0 to pi by 2, or this interval 0 to pi by 2, and we have to say, or we have to study that in which parts is this y, that is sine 3x, increasing, and in which parts of 0 to pi by 2 is it decreasing. So that's our job. So let's start. So the first of all, our y is sine 3x. Now the first thing that we do is to find out the first order derivative. So that will be 3 cos 3x, right? It will be d dx of sine over sine of 3x, that is cosine of 3x into d dx of 3x, and that is 3 cosine 3x. So now this is our first order derivative. Nice. Now we have to look for it in the region 0 to pi by 2. So first of all, our x, so let us first of all see that what are the critical points of this. Critical points, like we are only interested in from 0 to pi by 2. So 0, and let this be pi by 2. So in this region we have to find the critical points. So how do we find the critical points? We simply equate y dash equal to 0, and then we solve for x. So cos 3x is 0. So when is cos 0? Cos is 0 whenever we lie on the y-axis, right? Either here or here. So if we lie here on point A, then our 3x should be 90 degree, that is pi by 2. If we lie on point B, it should be 3x should be 3 pi by 2. So our 3x should be pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2. Okay, and then what should be our x? X should be pi by 6 or pi by pi by 2. Okay, so we have two values of x, that is pi by 6 and pi by 2. So these are the two critical points. Okay, what do I mean by critical points? So what is basically critical points? Critical points are those points where our equation becomes equal to 0. Okay, critical point is those points where y dash will be becoming 0. Okay, now so pi by 6 is basically nothing but 30 degree. Why? Because pi is 180. Pi radian is equal to it is equal to 180 degree. So pi by 6 is 30 degree and pi by 2 is 90 degree. So pi by 6 must be somewhere here, and pi by 2 is also a critical point, and that pi by 2 also happens to be the right extreme of our interval. Okay, nice. So now after putting this critical points, we can see distinctly that we have two regions, like one region is 0 to pi by 6 and another region is pi by 6 to pi by 2. So pi by 0 to pi by 2, pi by 6, sorry. So 0 to pi by 6, this is one region, and pi by 6 to pi by 2, this is another region. So these two are what? These are disjoint regions. Why? Because on intersecting both of them we will have a null set. So we have these two regions. Okay, now in the first region, let us check what is happening in the first region. Okay, so 0 to pi by 6, now